Wait, don't scroll. I want to show you how I make this stunning portrait of this young lady. While drawing this picture, I have a lot of expression after doing all the sketch, as you can see in the drawing. So after I make my sketch, I start from the skin tone, which I have different varieties of colors. I use oil pastel or chalk pastel with my charcoal pencil, as you can see, while creating the hair. This beautiful young lady picture really got my attention. I using charcoal to create the hair effect was really amazing. I really enjoy every bit of the pencil stroke trying to get the tiny hairs on her forehead. If this is your first time of coming across this channel or page, do well to subscribe or follow for more and hit the notification button so that you follow up each time I drop a post. Thank you. In this page or in this channel, I teach how to draw good portraits, both landscape painting, charcoal pencil, and all kind of work. So I think this channel is really interesting. It's more about painting, portraits, landscape, and wall painting, all types of painting here. So if you have anyone that is interested in drawing or learning, you can do what to share my handle to them so that they can follow or subscribe for more, so that here they can be learning from my tutorial. So about the skin tone, that is red, that I use red to get this the darker side. Then I apply yellow, yes, red and yellow to get the skin tone. So after getting the yellow, yes, applying the yellow, then I use another white to brighten the skin more, as you can see. Yes, applying the white to create more highlight on the skin. Then after that, I use my finger to blend it to smooth the skin, the colors, so that they can blend into together. Yes, as you can see in the portrait. So that is here. This is what we do. We teach how to draw and to take your drawing skill to the next level. So do well to watch till the end so that you'll not miss anything else. So that is inside the armpit, you kind of see the dark effect. So I use that to bring out the dark from this thing. So coming to the clothes here, yes, after getting to know the color, the reflection on the dress, I use the collection marker. With the artist, we always find a way to get the tools that can suit up and our work. So I use correction fluid trying to get the highlight that were in between the colors to separate them, as you can see here. So it's really beautiful, right? So you can comment, tell me what you think about it, so that I can, with your courage and this, I can continue to improve on my drawing. So feel free to tell me what you think of it. A comment, you can share. Maybe your friends can like it, So I hope this artwork really make your day, and I hope you have a great day with this beautiful artwork. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always supporting my art. Yes, I'm really grateful. I'll not take that for granted. I'll continue giving you beautiful artwork and art lessons. But well, continue to watch to the end so I don't miss anything now. So I think we'll come close to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you learned something. If you learn anything, let me know. So It's time to go now. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you. Peace out. Dasunnex out. I'm out.